Alright folks, today we're going to try out this redesign I did for TC Moore's DJI O4 light mount, which uses the Flywoo casing and the wide angle lens mod that goes with it. Let's take this off like that. And this is an 85 1S build. I've flown this before with the Flywoo canopy, and it's heavy. This one I wanted something with the front mounted camera. We are flying in golden hour. Do you see a little bit of the props right here? Let's get this synced up. Okay, gonna cruise around. See how this goes. No crazy flying. This is really more for cinematic flying. I may have to move the camera angle higher to go faster. Gap. 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 Oh. Let's chase these kids. Oh, we're gonna lose range soon. Minutes. Back.